Hey Crypto fam, welcome to my Crypto Queen. I'm Crypto Queen, your go-to mentor for all things crypto trading. Today I'm sharing my top 3 crypto trading strategies for beginners, focusing on technical analysis, basics to help you trade smarter. Whether you are new to crypto or looking to level up, these strategies will set you on the right path. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's dive in. First up, support and resistance. One of the easiest technical analysis tools for beginners. Support is the price level where a crypto like Bitcoin tends to stop falling because buyers step in. Resistance is where it struggles to break through because sellers take over. Let's look at this chart. See how Bitcoin keeps up bouncing. That's a support. And here at the resistance is hitting up. The strategy: buy near support, sell near resistance. But always confirm with volume. If volume rises on a breakout, it's a stronger signal. This simple method helps you time your trades without overcomplicating things. Want to dive deeper into chart pattern like this? My ebook on crypto trading strategies breaks it down step by step. Check it out on my website, contact page. Next, let's talk moving averages. A must know for spotting trends. A moving average smooths out price data to show the overall direction. My favorite is using the 50-day and 200-day moving average together. When the 50-day crosses above 200-day, it's a golden cross, a buy signal. When it crosses below, it's a death cross, a sell signal. Look at this chart. The golden cross rally. But here is a tip. Don't trade blindly. Combine this with other indicators like volume to avoid false signals. Moving averages are great for beginners because they simplify trends. If you are struggling with trends, I offer one-to-one mentoring to help you master them. Book a session on my website. Let's move to our final strategy. This is RSI, Relative Strength Index, a powerful tool to spot overbought or oversold conditions. RSI ranges from 0 to 100. Above 70, a crypto might be overbought. Think about selling then. Below 30, it's oversold, so you must consider buying. Check this chart. RSI dropped below 30 and the price bounced. The strategy: use RSI to time your entries and exits, but always confirm with price action. For example, if RSI is oversold but the price keeps dropping, wait for a reversal signal. RSI helps you avoid buying at peaks or selling at bottoms. Want more tips like this? My ebook covers advanced technical analysis tools. Grab it on my website. Before we wrap up, let's touch on trading psychology, because strategy alone isn't enough. A common beginner mistake is letting emotions drive your trades. Fear of missing out can make you buy at peaks, and panic can make you sell at low. My tip: stick to your plan. Set your entry, exit, and stop loss before you trade, and don't let emotions take over. If you struggle with this, my one-to-one mentoring includes psychology coaching to help you build discipline. I offer both in-person and recorded sessions. Find out more on my website. Trading smart starts with clear mind. That's it for today's top 3 strategies. Start with support and resistance, moving averages, and RSI to trade with confidence as a beginner. Ready to take your trading to the next level? Visit my website, contact page for my ebook on crypto trading strategies, and book one-to-one mentoring. I will help you master technical analysis and psychology. Drop a comment, what's your favorite strategy? Hit like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Let's trade smarter together.